Hi, this is Fahid from GRIP June 21 batch. Here the task 2 submission, K-means optimization using R. Here is the Irish dataset we have. In this we have 6 attributes. First one is ID, second one is sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and the last one is species, which is the actual class. Now we need to find the clusters which are optimum uh, based on these 4 attributes. For that we are first importing the packages for clustering which are important. Those are cluster R and cluster, and later we are importing the Irish dataset using read.csv function. Now we are performing data pre-processing. Here we are printing first dimensions of the Irish dataset. There are 150 rows and 6 attributes. Now we are removing non-numeric data, that is species column, from our Irish dataset and storing in the variable Irish data. Now the summary of Irish data, we can see that it will tell mean, median, mean, and maximum value in all 6 attributes. And for finding the optimal number of clusters, I am using elbow method. For that, I need to take k value. So k values in the range of 2 to 15, and I need to take one vector that is WSS. Now I'm building model for each with a different number of centers, and finding the total within this sum of squares and appending those to my vector, and I'm plotting it on a graph with number of clusters on x-axis and total within cluster sum squares on y-axis. So finding the optimal number k-play, we need to find the point from at which the graph falls with linear regression. Now from we see that from the point 3, the graph is falling from the in the form of linear regression. So the optimal number of k value is 3, and now we are building the model with center 3, and we are printing the clusters and centers of this. So this is the cluster we have got, and this is the centers of each attribute. This is the confusion matrix we are building with actual species and the resulted one. And now we are plotting these clusters. So we can see that the three this is one cluster, and this is one, and this is the third one. This is how we find the optimal number of clusters.